Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send multiple videos to a group on WhatsApp using the desktop app. If you've been wondering how to share several clips at once from your computer, you're in the right place. The latest WhatsApp update makes this process easier and faster than ever before. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can do this either from the desktop shortcut or by searching for WhatsApp in your computer's search bar. Give it a few seconds to launch and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look through your chat list and open the group where you want to send your videos. Once you've selected the group, move your attention to the bottom of the chat window. You'll notice a small plus icon right next to the message box. Click on that icon and a few options will appear. Choose the one labeled Photos and Videos. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse through your folders and find the videos you want to share. Now, here's the handy part of the new update. You can select multiple videos at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and click on each video you'd like to send. When you've chosen all your clips, click Open. You'll now see the selected videos appear in the chat window. Take a quick look to make sure you've chosen the right files. You can also type a short caption if you want to add some context or a message for your group. Once everything looks good, simply click Send. WhatsApp will start uploading and sharing your videos with everyone in the group. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the videos, the upload might take a moment or two, so just be patient while it finishes. And that's it. You've successfully sent multiple videos to your WhatsApp group using the PC app. It's quick, simple, and perfect for sharing memories, projects, or any group content, all from your computer.